Please remove empty any and all oil, fuel, gas, or propane from machinery or furniture. By law, we are not permitted to transport highly flammable substances in the back of box trucks. This includes fuel of any nature, flammable oils, alcohol, and contents under pressure. You will need to arrange to transport these items in your personal vehicle. If you need help with this, please contact us right away. Washing machines, dryers, refrigerators, freezers, and any other major appliance hookups. Our moving crews are not electronic or appliance service professionals. Please disconnect all electronics and major appliances prior to your moving day. For the safety of the appliance, it is recommended that you drain any water from hoses, defrost and air out insides of refrigerators and freezers, and allow them to be turned off for at least 24 hours prior to being moved. To learn more, visit collegedudeshelpyoumove.com or give us a call. 704-266-1393, 704-266-1393. We look forward to helping make your move stress-free.